Hold on, let me put my gloves on. This one? Yeah. I actually, see, I grew up on a farm.
No.
Yes, I did. My parents were farmers. My father worked like the day and the night shift in the factory, and then the remaining 8 hours he worked on the farm. I've spent the first 18 years working on the farm, driving tractor, picking fruits, wine. We made our own wine. So actually, I do miss this. That's something that
This is okay.
at least part-time I will
say
do when I
this.
retire.
Smile.
So you got to tape her too. You all would tape me, tape her.
I promise to
These are these. I'm not the one making this happen. They're making this happen. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Welcome from our new Enduro production facility. We're here at the south end of the normal production site. This is actually our newest building we have. Less than 2 years ago, this was actually a parking lot. And what we did within the last 2 years is actually very amazing. We built up this complete new construction and we set up 4 different lines that are required to build our brand new Enduro motor. So the Enduro motor is the motor that is solely developed by our engineering team in-house within our Rivian family. And the Enduro motor will be offered not only in our EDV, where we're currently already installing the Enduro motor, it will also be available for our customers in the R1T and in the R1S. So start of production of our new Enduro motor was at the beginning of February. Actually, I remember it exactly. It was February 3rd, because I had a chance to be out here with the team to celebrate the production of our first customer motor. So since SOP, start of production of our first Enduro motor, we have already built more than 600 of these beautiful Enduro motors here with the team, but we're still at the beginning of the ramp up. So altogether, we plan on building 44 units per hour. So if you do the math, we will run 2 shifts here. So we will be capable of producing 832 Enduro motors every single day. Now you might wonder, well, that's a lot of motors that we can put every single day into our products. But you got to see, we put 1 Enduro motor in every single EDV we're producing in combination with a new LFP battery pack. And then, as I mentioned, we will also offer the Enduro motor in our R1T and R1S products. So the customer will be able to select our very famous quad motor, but additional to that, the customer will also be able to select an Enduro motor, so the customer will have a choice. The good thing about the Enduro motor, it's actually a more efficient motor, so the customer will actually get a longer range, a little bit less horsepower, but an absolutely fascinating product. The good thing also for Rivian, as you all know, we need to drive down cost also on the bill of material. And the Enduro motor helps us, because the Enduro motor, as an in-house engineered, an in-house produced motor, is actually less expensive than our quad motor. So it's actually something which is reducing our cost, and we're actually able to offer an incredible product to our customers. So what I want to really say is that I'm so proud of this team here, because working together with the design engineers, manufacturing engineers, manufacturing team, supply chain, logistic, and all the different functions that actually made it happen, that we are able to set up such an incredible facility in such a short time, ramping up an incredible product with a fantastic quality. We're at the beginning of the ramp up, but seeing what the team has accomplished so far, I'm absolutely confident that we will not only achieve our goals, we will exceed our goals. So thank you very much. Looking forward to seeing you soon.
I made like little cookie bites.
You made them?
Yeah.
Nice.